This is how to insert signature in our name. First, we need to make a signature in a white blank paper. After that, take a picture and send it to your computer and download it. After that, go to your name, example Juan de la Cruz, insert picture and downloads and your picture of your signature. Okay, insert and click the picture, click format picture. After that, go to that icon picture color and go to recolor. After that, select black and white format. Okay, click it and that is the result. After that, you need to crop the signature, remove unnecessary black not included. Click crop, adjust, and when it is ready, click it and enter. After that, click the picture again. Okay, after that, go to wrap text and select behind the text. Okay, after that, drag the picture, go to your name, and that's all. You can adjust the size of your signature, and that's it. Thank you for watching.